Affiliate marketing advice that everyone should follow. Affiliate marketing is a great way for companies to make money. Rather than using a traditional advertising method to obtain customers, affiliate marketing companies uses rewards and referrals to draw in customers. If you wish to use affiliate marketing to draw in more customers, then pay attention to the advice in this video. To sell products more easily, look for cheap products. Present the price as an excellent deal and compare it to what customers would have to pay in a store. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. Affiliates should never overreach and begin to market multiple products simultaneously, especially when they're starting out, but nothing says you cannot diversify your income stream. You can be involved with affiliate marketing on multiple levels that do not involve direct commissions, such as referrals. Have people sign up on your recommendation and you can earn big. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates and your total sales monthly. Although advertising one's products on the internet can be a convenient way to reach a broad segment of the population, potential buyers can often be reluctant to buy a product that they won't be able to try on until it has arrived. For this reason, it is important to stress your liberal return policies. In conclusion, affiliate marketing helps companies gain money. Instead of traditional advertising ways, rewards and referrals are used by affiliates to draw in customers. Using the advice from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to gain more customers for your own business, which will give you more profit. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.